Hello friends, in this particular video we are going to cover important terms related to stock trading. So in this video the points that we are going to cover is ask price, which is also called offer, bid ask spread, limit order, market indicator and market order. To start with ask price, which is also called offer. So let us firstly explain what is ask price. Uh, Ask price is lowest price a seller of a stock is willing to accept for a share of that given stock. So it is opposite of bid, and ask price will always be higher than the bid. Bid price is price that buyers want to pay, and again this ask price is the price that seller of a stock is willing to accept. So this is completely opposite to this bid price, and you really need to understand it carefully. Let us explain it with an example. For example, Mr. Ram owns share of a company XYZ, but it is now but is now interested in selling them. So Ram is interested in selling them. Lately, shares of XYZ company have been trading around 2000 Indian rupees throughout the day. But Mr. Ram would prefer not to sell for any price under 2400 rupees. So he will execute that trade from that minimum price only. So if we talk about this 2400 rupees, this is the ask price. This is exactly the same ask price that Mr. Ram has asked for his shares. So this is the way ask price is defined. Coming to the next point. Now we are going to talk about what is bid ask spread. So the difference between a security's bid price and ask price is called bid ask spread. For example, let us take an example. Let's assume you are watching company XYZ stock. Okay, there's a company called XYZ. If the bid price is 5,000 Indian rupees and ask price is 5,150 Indian rupees, then the bid ask spread is 150 Indian rupees. So it is the difference between this value and this value. The difference between ask value and bid value. So that is going to be your bid ask spread. So let us understand how it is calculated. Only the best bid, that is the highest price offered for a security, and the best ask, that is lowest price asked for a security, are used to calculate the bid ask spread. So that is how this bid ask spread is calculated. And this term bid ask spread is of very important use in your trading, because you are going to deal with higher bid ask spread as well as lower bid ask spread, and you need to make your trading decisions accordingly. Now coming to the next point, we are going to cover limit order. What is limit order? An order to buy or sell a stock within price limits is called limit order. So you are going to declare the maximum price you are willing to pay or the minimum price at which you are willing to sell to the individual security. So let us explain it with an example. So let's say there is a buy limit order that stipulates the buyer is not willing to pay more than 300 Indian rupees per share, while a sell limit order may require the share price to be at least Indian rupees 300 in order for the sale to take place. So if you try to differentiate here, the buyer is not willing to pay more than 300 rupees per share. And then if we talk about seller, is not going to uh, is not going to uh, sell the stock at least 300 rupees and around. So here you are going to see the limit order. Now coming to the next point, which is market indicator. What is market indicator? A technical, sentimental, fundamental, or economic indicator that gives signal to the future market direction is called market indicator. So this term is being used more frequently in stock market because whenever you are going to analyze any kind of stock or you are going to analyze any kind of trend, then you always have to understand these market indicators. Once you are going to understand these market indicators, then you are going to have the trading more effectively. So this is a technical part, and uh, collectively these indicators are called market indicator, which has been explained just over here. Now the last term that we are going to explain over here is market order. An order to buy or sell stock at the current market price is called market order. So this is another technical term that we are going to use in stock trading. These terms are very important. So these terms will help you while you are doing day-to-day trade trading. So to summarize this video, let us see what we have covered over here. We have talked about ask price, we have talked about bid ask spread, we have talked about limit order, we have just explained market indicator and market order. We hope this video has been very useful for you. See you in the next video.